Okay, so here we go. We have the pepper plants, and it's fall, and it's time to get these suckers essentially out of the way for the winter. So we're gonna come on down here, and we're gonna take our pepper bucket, and this is what I love about living in the woods is you just take all your plant matter and shove it in the woods. You can see this. I'll show you. You know, these peppers grew awesome. We got awesome peppers, but look at the root ball. The whole top half of that bucket, nothing but root ball. So there goes one. This is pretty. We'll just dump that out. But as you can see, when I talk about self-defense and growing in the woods, hence the use of hardware cloth to keep out the chipmunks, because they like to bury things in your dirt. And we'll just chuck this in the barn right there for a moment. We'll grab another one. We have several. You can see the elderberry plant. The elderberry plant got eaten up. I have two over on the other side of the property that I think will bounce back. But we can probably grab a couple of these at a time. 2 buckets at a time. Can we do it? Can it be done? Let's try it here. Oh, yeah. No. Hey, look at that. Bucket just came off. Bucketless gardening. Root ball, bucket shaped, plant whatever you want. What do you think? Marketing ploy? Would it work? Yeah. So that's that. Chuck that in the woods. And we'll just repeat. Got my old barn here. This barn was built when I was a kid. This barn was a home and garden show barn from the Cleveland, Ohio show back in about 1982. And I was a kid and crawled up on the loft. And you know, it's been 40 years. She's still standing. She needs a little work, a little paint, but still getting her done. As you can see, I got the strawberry bed cleaned out pretty good. So we're gonna get some straw on that here shortly at some point. So yeah. Okay, and on down the line, just I had originally planned on maybe trying to keep that dirt in there for next year, but container gardening is rather new to me, and it gets so root bound up in there that I don't think it's advantageous to try to reuse that. I realize it may break down over time and kind of recompost in there, but it'll probably be new container soil next spring, and then we'll just replant the peppers and go from there. So, and this is what I use to stabilize these little tiny tomato cages, to stabilize the peppers as they grow. So pretty easy. These guys did good this year. So we'll keep planting some peppers. We really enjoyed them this time around. And they're good for you. Vitamin C. Yeah, buddy. Okay. Well, when it comes to peppers, get you some. See you next time.